Scarcity is the central concept in economics. Scarcity exists because all resources are in limited supply. The limited supply of resources forces people to make choices about how to best use those resources. Economics is the study of how these scarce resources are used in production and consumption. Scarcity affects prices, supply, and demand in the United States. Prices play a major role in the United States and other free market economies. Prices serve as a signal to what people desire. High prices of a good or service indicates that people want to consume that good or service. Low prices indicate that people do not want that good or service. Sellers or producers use prices to determine what and how much to produce. Price affects both supply and demand. Supply is the amount of a good or service that is available at a certain price. Prices affect the supply of goods in the United States. High prices lead to an increase in supply. Sellers or producers will produce more at a higher price than at a lower price. Sellers will be able to make higher profits at a higher price, and that encourages them to produce more. The higher price will also attract more sellers, leading to a higher supply. Conversely, when prices are too low, sellers will often produce less. The relationship between supply and prices leads to maximal use of resources because they are being used the way the economy feels is best. Demand is the amount of a good that people want at a certain price. Consumers will demand more goods at a lower price than at a higher price. This leads sellers to look for ways to lower their production costs to be able to sell at a low price. Demand is also affected by consumers' tastes and preferences. Low demand for a good will typically lead to less of that good being produced, which will help maximize the use of resources in an economy.